This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a safe folder on your Motorola phone so you can move files there and protect it with a lock. So we want to swipe up from the bottom, go to Files. Right here, open this up. Now you should have under Collections an option to hide the safe folder. Just go to this and you can show it right here. And then you need a password to get in here. And it looks like I just have one screenshot in there. And we should be able to move it out or delete it. Now we can go to the top left and go to Settings. And there should be options under here like Safe Folder. We can change the lock, reset it, and delete everything in there. Now to move files into there, just go to the file. So wherever it may be, could be under like Gallery. And there should be an option to move it. So let's go to one of these galleries, maybe this one. And then when you see the option in the top right, you can just move it to your actual safe folder. So let me just go to Files because I know how to do it under here. So under Files, I can just go to Images. I have no images on my phone anymore, but there will be an option in the top right to move the file out or in. So if I do this, it says move out, but it would say move in. So just look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.